Welcome to the Indoor 4-H Children's Garden Butterflies in the Garden video tour. We hope you'll enjoy your time here. Let's start our tour by walking this way. Looks pretty quiet in here today. There ahead of us, I see the chrysalis cage. Let's go see if there's any butterflies. I hope so. What do you think? Sure enough, there is a butterfly that just hatched out. Let's keep walking through our tunnel and see where it takes us. Oh, look, a little window. What do we see? And now let's keep going. I see something on the ground up there. I wonder. Yes, it's a butterfly just sitting there. I wonder what she's doing. Let's keep going and see what else we can find. I see a seat over there beside us. I see a little purple fence. Let's keep going. Around the corner, what do you think is there? We'll find out. Let's take just a minute and go across our Mackinac Bridge. Here we come up to it. Step up and over. Look, up ahead, a butterfly. Now we're coming down. We're going to go right over top of this banana tree leaf. And when we turn, we're back at the entrance to butterflies. Hope you enjoyed our quick tour. Bye.